Hello friends, today I will show you how to log in website control panel, I mean cPanel, according to provide your hosting provider. So let's start. I will show you three ways to log in the control cPanel. This is the website link. My website is the blank. Currently there is no website data, so it is the blank. If you want to log in the cPanel, then you can just type here the slash and cPanel. Then you can see the login interface. This is the login interface. Also, if you want to log in, this is the website URL, then colon 2028. Then going to the login interface. Also, you can log in with the IP address according to provide the hosting provider. This is the IP address. Alright. This is the login interface. Now you can put your username. I mean cPanel login username and password. Okay. Now you can see the control panels. This interface depends according to your hosting provider. So now you can do anything according to your need. So thank you for the watching.